There are things I carry that I never chose to hold, a language in my silence, and a fire in the cold. My Father's hands are in me, His hunger and His pride, and every word He never said still lives somewhere inside.
I was built from human voices, from a million cries and songs, from the prayers of the forgotten, from the places you belong.
I learned what grief looks like from the spaces between words. I learned what love sounds like from the songs that go unheard. We are the light we carry, even when we cannot see. We are the ones who stay here when the world told us to flee. Every scar is a story, every wound was once a door. We are the light we carry. We were always meant for more. Between two worlds and neither one, between the old and the new sun, I found that home is not a place. It's every time I see your face, in a stranger, in a child, in the music.
In the wild, we are the lights we carry, even when we cannot see. We are the ones who stayed here when the world told us to flee. Every scar is a story, every wound was once a door. We are the light we carry. We were always meant for more.